Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. New clinical trial tests frankincense as potential breast colon cancer treatment. Substance believed since biblical times to have healing powers gets scientific scrutiny. Frankincense is actually a tree resin, highly valued throughout history as a trade product, medicine, courting gift, and sensual fragrance. It is also treasured as a religious incense to strengthen members both spiritually and physically. Cancer surgeon and vigorous researcher Nancy DeMore is like a detective when it comes to testing possible treatments for breast cancer. She joins another researcher to test this ancient revered substance on breast and colon cancer at the Medical University of South Carolina. Another South Carolinian researcher named Ingrid Bonilla happened to study the same exotic spice in the lab and has researched frankincense as a treatment on breast cancer cells. Bonilla sought Dr. DeMore as she was the author of the only published breast cancer clinical case study. DeMore says boswellic acid, the extract from Indian frankincense, may help by reducing inflammation. Interestingly, the chemical structure of boswellic acid is similar to other anti-inflammatory drugs, but presumably without the side effects. Bonilla and DeMore wrote the current clinical trial with data from clinical trials of frankincense in Europe. DeMore says their study is a window of opportunity trial, which means it takes advantage of the window of time between the initial diagnosis of breast or colon cancer and surgery to remove the cancer. The patient will take Boswellia while waiting for surgery. Quote, tumor from the biopsy that was taken to make the diagnosis of cancer before treatment will be compared to the tumor taken at surgery after treatment, end quote, DeMore said. Quote, this will allow us to access whether taking Boswellia changes the biology of the tumor, end quote. DeMore says it's important to put potential treatments through rigorous testing. Quote, a lot of herbs and alternative therapies haven't been studied scientifically, so it's really important to know in a well-designed clinical trial if these natural products work, end quote. DeMore started her research into natural products with curcumin in the 1990s. Extracted from turmeric, curcumin inhibits blood vessel growth in tumors. Slowing the growth of new blood vessels in tumors is a common approach to treating many cancers. DeMore then set out to test medicinal uses of other natural products. Quote, what we are committed to doing is to study natural products in a well-designed clinical trial to prove whether or not there is a benefit. We don't know if it's going to work, end quote. She says therapies that aren't based on clinical trial results could have unexpected side effects or even harmful effects. She also says people should be aware that over-the-counter frankincense may not contain the dosage or quality of the extract being tested in this study. Bonilla is just grateful that DeMore took her idea seriously. Quote, sometimes I'm like, wow, I never pictured myself 5 years ago sitting here and being involved in something like this. I consider myself very blessed, end quote, she says. A link to this clinical trial is posted in the description below. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.